I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just pushing the buy button the next morning to get the stocks you saw on TV last night into your portfolio. I'm here to help you make money on these three stocks I saw on TV. Okay, we're going to start with American Tower, which I will admit I have not been watching and should have. Kramer talked about this on Mad Money, and he likes it. So do I. I mean, here's what these guys do. They make the cell towers, or they own them and lease them out to all the cell companies. So if you are watching this on your mobile device, or if you've ever called anybody on a cellular phone, American Tower is your stock. Here's the deal. The stock traded back down to the 50-day moving average. You look here at the trend. It's been going up forever. And it's given you a good opportunity to buy. The yield ain't much to speak of, 1.75%. But what is something to speak of is this trend. They don't report earnings until November, which means that you can buy this stock right now, keep a stop at 112.81. That's the level right there. You keep a stop at 112.81 and you're good to go. You're taking a small risk. If you're stopped out, okay, that's the price you pay for playing. But if the stock continues to run, this has been a real nice entry for you. Okay, Dennis Gartman on Fast Money says that oil is in a perfect storm. Okay, so he thinks that oil's going back to 41. He said $5 or $6, whatever. I'll let you review the tape on that. So he thinks it's going lower for various reasons, blah, 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 blah. And that's great. I just think it's going lower because this is the move that it's made, and it has run up against this resistance here. Run this over. Okay. That is where the stock peaked at. Right here. So this, I would say, I'd make a better analysis in my view. Of course it is, in my view. If this starts running up above 50, buy every energy company in sight. Until that happens, I think you can stay away from energy, if only for this reason. As long as oil stays around this level, I don't know how far it's going to go, and neither does anybody else except the fools and the liars, frankly. And there's no pattern adjust. You can't make a measured move here other than to say, well, maybe it will come back and retest the 200-day moving average. But I would rather deal in risk management, which is this. Unless oil starts moving higher, I think you can look at all these energy ETFs and see them as range bound. And that's really what we're talking about. There's a few stocks here and there that are working from frankly, like Chesapeake, for whatever reason. I kind of like that. I like National Oilwell Varco. But generally speaking, as long as oil is not moving up to here, and Gartman again thinks it's going to move down another $4 or $5, great, then stay away from energy. Okay, then the last one that I haven't really seen anybody talking about, but they should be, is data, Tableau software. After hours, they reported that they're hiring the guy who built, who's busy for the last 10 years building Amazon Web Services. Okay, that's kind of a big deal. Have you heard of Amazon Web Services? I have. And oh, by the way, if you're watching this video, and you are, you're watching it on Amazon Web Services. This is what's happened with the stock. Since they reported this, it's up a few bucks. This would be my suggestion for tomorrow. I don't like to buy anything that's gapping up right at the open, particularly since this is gapping up right into resistance. But keep your eye on Tableau. As long as this stock keeps trading in this series of higher lows, kind of like right along there, then this is a stock that you want to buy on dips. There's the channel. So the idea is to buy the bottom of the channel in between these two lines and not buy at the top of the channel. And this stuff in between is just that. the in-betweens. Okay, that's it for these 3 stocks I saw on TV. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at Stock Market Mentor, and I hope you'll check me out over there. Free 30-day trial. First 30 days are on me. StockMarketMentor.com.